Hey guys, welcome to question FM141 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. So this question reads, as part of a training plan, Brock trains his basketball skills for 30 minutes in the first week and successively increases the amount that he trains each week by 5 minutes. That is, in the second week, he will train for 35 minutes and so on. For how many minutes will he train in the 12th week? So we have a couple of options when it comes to solving this question. Now you could write up a recurrence relation describing the scenario and then go through that 12 times until you get to the 12th week's value. Or we can set up an nth rule that will help us get straight to the answer. Now I'm a much bigger fan of using the nth rule only because we're going to have to, with a recurrence relation, we'd have to go through that 12 times to get to our answer. With our nth rule, we can just jump straight there. So we know by reading this scenario, we're going for an increase of 5 minutes at each week. So we're looking at a difference or an arithmetic sequence here. We're going for the same difference each time. So when we look at the bare bones of our formula, it's going to be Vn equals V0 plus n times d, where n will be the number of weeks and d will be the difference each week. Now, something to keep in mind is that we've been told that the first value is 30. They haven't actually given us a starting value of 0 because n is the number of weeks that we're looking at here, and we've been told in the first week he has trained for 30 minutes and we're looking for the 12th week. So we've been given a value of V1 instead of a V0. If that's how you want to interpret it, you could create a V0 and then go for 11 weeks after that, but I'm going to do it this way. So because we've been given a V1 instead of a V0, this formula is going to change slightly. It's going to become Vn equals V1 plus n minus 1d. So because we've got one less week that we'll be looking at in terms of adding a difference, so we're going to be looking for 11 weeks instead of 12 weeks, we're going to use this n minus 1 formula instead. So now when we plug in our 12th week, V12 equals 30 plus 12 minus 1 times our difference of 5. This is going to times our difference of 5 by 11, and 11 more weeks after our first week is going to get us to our answer, which of course is 85, meaning our answer is option D. If you guys have any questions about this process or you'd like to see it done a different way, leave it in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.